In this video, I'll be giving you guys 10 different ways to find winning products in 2024. We'll take it a step further and I'll even show you guys how to start making sales when you go to test new products on your dropshipping store. At the end of this video, we'll go over 5 different ways to market your products, both free and paid. So if you're ready to start having success with dropshipping this year, leave a like and subscribe for more. My name's Alex if you're new. We have a lot to go over, so let's get right into it. So the first product research method that I have for you guys today is the TikTok Creative Center. You can see it right here. So they have this search bar up here at the top where you can type in keywords related to your niche or the product that you're selling, or you guys can just type in common search phrases like shop now, 50% off, hashtag TikTok made me buy it, or anything similar. This is where it gets really interesting. You guys can see all of this search criteria right up here at the top. You guys can narrow it down by location. You guys can choose different countries right up here. You guys can narrow it down by industry if you're selling in a specific niche. We always want to choose the conversions objective to find products. You guys can narrow it down to the last 30 days or the last 180 days if you guys want to see the top performing content on TikTok. You guys can also narrow it down by likes. We can look at the top 1 to 20% of liked ads on TikTok. I like to narrow it down to the top 40% so you guys can really get an idea of what's working for other stores. If you guys scroll through this list, you guys can see all of these ads right here in the last 30 days with conversion objectives in the United States, and these are the top 40% of liked ads on TikTok. It'll show you everything from the likes to the click-through rate to their budget, their landing pages. You guys can analyze every aspect of these stores' funnels and see how it's performing for them. So keep scrolling through this list until you find products that grab your attention and you could potentially build a store around. My next product research method is just Facebook's version of the TikTok Creative Center, and this is the Facebook Ads Library. This is the page it'll take you to right here. So once again, you can narrow it down by location. You guys want to select all ads right here and then type in any common search phrases. This can be related to your niche, or these can just be common dropshipping terms like 50% off, free shipping, winter sale, anything related, and you guys can find the top performing products on Facebook ads this way. So here's our results for 50% off. You guys can select filters up here, and we can only look at ads that are currently running by selecting active right here. And now it's going to show you all of the active ads on Facebook Ads Library, and you guys can look at the metrics for each one of these ads and see how they're performing for different brands. So just keep scrolling through this list, and once again, look for products that grab your attention that you could potentially build a store around and start selling. Now, before we move on to our next product research method, let's talk about the quickest and easiest way to start seeing real results with any new product we test. Because if you want to start taking dropshipping seriously in 2024, you need high quality ad creatives. There's no way around this. And while most people piece together stolen content off of TikTok and Facebook, they don't realize that doing this will burn through your entire ad budget and potentially get you permanently banned. So the best way to start seeing real results fast in 2024 is to use a proven to convert video ad package from a company like Ecom Adz. You guys can see some case studies right here, and the results speak for themselves. Ecom Adz has generated over 50,000 video ads for more than 20,000 clients and have made over $30 million in sales using just Ecom Adz videos alone. And you guys can see some of their best-selling ad packages right here. They have their video ad package, their split testing video ad package, their TikTok split testing package, as well as their image split testing package. Let's say you guys wanted to start off running ads on TikTok. You guys would select this TikTok split testing package right here. This is the page it will take you to right here. You guys can see that each ad package comes with delivery within 1 to 3 business days. They're proven to convert ad creatives using a proven strategy that the owners have found and scaled products with, and they include unlimited revisions. When you guys are ready to try it out, simply build your bundle down here, choose your quantity. You guys can actually save money by bundling up and purchasing more at a time. You guys can improve your conversion rate by adding TikTok text as well as a voiceover, and then select buy it now. Let's take a look at some of their work down here.
Do you dread the post-party cleanup? Say no more. The automatic cup washer is here to save the day. Effortlessly clean your cups with a simple push and spend more time enjoying your drinks. Don't miss out. Check out the link now and make dishwashing a breeze.
That is a great creative for a winner that we've seen many times in the past. Now, if you guys plan on testing a ton of different products at once, you can actually save a ton of money by joining their VIP program. You guys can see you can get this video ad package right here for $12.50 instead of that $50 non-member price. But joining VIP also gets you access to 75% off all video editing packages, 1-day delivery and revision time, as well as priority support. And I've also partnered with Viral Ecom Adz to give you guys 15% off your first order. Use code Alexander15 at checkout. Try them out and let me know how they work for you. So my next product research method is kind of a 2-for-1, and we're gonna be taking out our phone for this one. So take out your phone, go on the TikTok app, and type in hashtag TikTok made me buy it. It's gonna show you a ton of trending products under this hashtag. We can take it a step further, select the little filter bar up here at the top, and we're gonna sort it by like count, and we're gonna look at videos posted this month only. So it's gonna show you all of the top liked dropshipping videos posted within the last month. You guys can keep scrolling through this list until you find products that catch your attention and you might want to build a store around. This is also a great way to spot trends and see what's currently working for other brands. Now we can go even further by selecting the shop tab up here at the top, and it's going to show you all of the top performing products on TikTok shops. What I like about this is it shows you the amount sold as well as the ratings, so you can see the customer satisfaction behind each product as well. So for example, you guys can see these eye massagers right here. This has been a winning product many times in the past. This has over 3,000 recent units sold and 138 high rated reviews. Scrolling down, you guys can see this space projector right here. Once again, another saturated winning product from the past with over 17.6 thousand units sold. Scrolling down a little bit more, we have the exact same product with almost 170,000 units sold. So once again, this is a great way to spot trends, see what's working for other brands, and what products are currently performing well on TikTok Shop. Keep in mind, you will have to source a high quality, reliable supplier. If you do plan on selling on Shop, you can't just use AliExpress suppliers. They're a lot more strict. All right guys, my 5th product research method is using an ad spy tool like Minea. This is the page you'll be taken to when you first log in. You guys can see they have multiple lists up here at the top 100 winning products on Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, the top 100 shops. If we go back up to the top and we select ads up here, it'll take you to this page, and you guys can browse ads from the 3 top platforms. We have Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. We have a ton of filters and search criteria up here at the top. We can look at weekly winners, best of the month, season cash machine, recent dropshipping, and Q4 winners of 2022. We can sort it by last seen, creation date, first seen, likes, shares, comments, and so much more. We can look at different dates, media types, call to actions, which e-commerce platform they're actually selling on, languages. We can sort it by engagement with likes, comments, shares, reactions, and so much more. So these are the top performing ads on Facebook. We can select the TikTok tab right here, and it's going to show you all of the top performing ads on TikTok currently. This is a great way to spot trends and see what's currently working for other dropshipping brands. So just like every other platform we discussed, keep scrolling through this list until you find products that catch your attention, and we'll take it a step further and we'll research them to validate them later on. All right, my 6th product research method is one of the oldest ones out there, but it continues to get more and more advanced as time goes on, and this is the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. So this is offered directly by AliExpress, and obviously they're the suppliers for the majority of dropshippers out there, so they have a ton of data available at their fingertips. You guys can see you can narrow down the selections right here by different niches, or you can just select the winning products tab right here, and it's going to show you all of their top performing winning products on AliExpress right now. It's going to show you the amount sold, the shipping options, as well as the customer ratings. Once again, spend some time scrolling through this list until you find products that grab your attention and you could potentially build a brand around. For example, there's 3 great winning products right here. We have this stretcher, we have this neck massager, as well as this heating pad. But scrolling down, you'll find a ton of different trends. We have jewelry, we have essential oils, we have kids' toys, and a bunch of random stuff. These are all products that other dropshippers are currently selling and scaling on their own stores. My next product research method is to use Glimpse. Glimpse is just like Google Trends, but much more advanced. They say it's Google Trends on steroids. You guys can see right here, they have a ton of different options right here for different niches. You guys can select your niche right here and see all the different search trends and the demand for current items within your niche. Or you guys can just go in the search bar right here, type in your product or any similar keywords within your niche and see what people are searching for, what questions people are asking, and so on. So for example, let's go in the beauty niche right here and say you guys wanted to sell skincare products. You guys can see all the top performing products right now in the skincare niche. We'll click on this one right here under eye brightener since it has a 224% search increase. And it's gonna show you all of the data around this winning product. You guys can see right here that it's down 7% from the past month, but it's still getting over 8,000 searches per month. Scrolling down here, you guys can see other searches that are related to this product, as well as questions that people are asking about this product. You guys can see the related trends down here, as well as the social channels that people are searching for this product on. So this would be a great product to run TikTok or Instagram ads on. Taking it a step further, we can see the interest by region. Most people are interested in this product in Germany, Netherlands, and the United States, but we can also sell it to other countries like Austria, Finland, Singapore, United Kingdom, Canada, Denmark, and Sweden. And down here we have a topic map of a ton of different searches within the same niche. So this is a great way to do a deep dive within your niche or within each product that you sell so that you can see what exactly people are searching for, what the search demand is, and what any related searches or questions are. So my next product research method is another old one, but it still works amazing. This is Turbo Ad Finder. This is an extension that you add onto your browser. You guys can download this directly Google Chrome or Edge or whatever browser you use. And you guys go on Facebook and it will get rid of any post on your newsfeed that isn't an ad. So you guys can tailor ads directly to your feed by using this tool right here. And you guys can see all the top performing Facebook ads directly on your own newsfeed without doing anything. So you guys can see more information about this right here. You guys can spy on your competitor ads. You guys can find trending products, ads for similar products, your competitors' ads, or inspiration for any future ads that you want to make. They make it easy. You guys can save all of the ads that you like into one place to reference later. This is kind of like having your own personal swipe file that you guys can reference time and time again as you go to make new ads. But using this is a great way to find trending products before your competitors do. So that way you can jump on trends early and make a ton of money before anybody else even starts selling that product. All right, this next product research method is a good one. This is using some sort of a website exchange to find your next winning product. We're using Flippa right here. This is where people can list and sell their websites. So we can select e-commerce up here at the top. We can go by type. We can either do dropship or Shopify. I'm looking at a bunch of other dropshipping businesses right here. And we also have a ton of search criteria over here on the left-hand side. You guys can type in certain keywords or phrases within your niche or find any products that you would potentially want to sell. You guys can narrow it down by monthly users, page views, revenue, profit, price range, the age of the actual website, and so on. You guys will see that a lot of these listings are confidential because you can actually pay a little bit more when you go to list your website to take down any relevant information so people like us won't scroll through and copy everything to do with each one of these brands. People do want to hide their brand identity. They want to hide their best-selling products because honestly, if you guys are selling a website on here and you can see that they're doing like $500,000 a year, why wouldn't you take that exact same product and build your own brand around it, right? So you guys can scroll through this list and see a ton of different brands. You guys can see what their net profit is each month, what their best-selling products are, and all of the information about each one of these brands. So keep scrolling through this list, and when you guys see a brand or a winning product that catches your attention, open it in a new tab and study all of the relevant information about that product. See if it meets your criteria and if it's something that you would want to sell on your own store. All right, my final product research method is using the bestseller tab on Temu, Amazon, and Etsy to find your next winning product. So you guys can see all of these trending products right here and the amount sold. Each one of these listings has over 100,000 units sold, and you guys can see the high rated reviews for each one as well. You guys can scroll through this list until you find a product that you would like to build a brand around. So these are products that people are already purchasing, they're already satisfied with, and all you got to do is build a brand around it and source your content for each one of these products. So we can see this list right here on Temu. This is probably the best place to find winning products out of all three. But we can also go over to Amazon. You guys can see all of the top performing products within each niche. You guys can select multiple niches over here on the left-hand side to really narrow it down and see what's working for other stores. Same thing with Etsy. Over here at the top, you guys are gonna see shop deals, home favorites, fashion finds, gift guides. Select one of those tabs. We're looking at home favorites right here, and it's gonna show you all of the top performing products in home decor, wall art, kitchen and dining furniture, area rugs, outdoor and garden, and so on. Obviously, Etsy is supposed to be a marketplace for handmade items, but that is not always the case. There are a ton of dropshippers just like you and I selling products on Etsy, sourcing them on AliExpress and similar suppliers, and you guys will find that exact same thing. So scroll through the bestseller tab on each of these 3 websites, look at the top performing products in each niche, and make an educated decision on what you want to sell. You guys can even niche down and sell multiple products within the same category. Now that you guys have 10 different ways to find winning products, let's talk about 5 unique ways to actually sell those products. Obviously, method number 1 is the most popular and it gets you the fastest results. That's paid ads. We have platforms like TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, Snapchat ads, Pinterest ads, and so on. You guys can either source high quality content from a company like Viral Ecom Adz, or you can order the product yourself and start shooting your own custom content to run on each one of these platforms. Obviously, when you're just starting out, you're gonna have to have a higher budget to start testing with paid ads. Well, each of these algorithms are very advanced and will get you results. It typically takes a little bit of time to build up data and start seeing results. So if you guys are looking for a great free way to start marketing your products, I would look at organic. With organic marketing, you choose a platform like TikTok or Instagram, and you make a ton of different videos yourself in hopes to go viral. The more you post, the better chances you have, and you'll get better the more content you create. So simply create a TikTok account around your brand and post on it daily and see what kind of results you can get for each product you want to sell. The next way to sell your products is using influencers. This can be a paid promotion where you send them your product as well as a payment to promote your product and post on their own socials. Or this can be a gifted collab where you just simply send them your product and tell them to film a few videos around it. The more followers and engagement somebody has, the more they're gonna charge you for a paid collab. But if you guys reach out to a ton of different micro influencers, people with typically 10K or less of a following, you guys will have chances of landing a gifted collab. And if they're not willing to do a gifted collab, their rates are usually much lower. So you guys wanna look at the top influencers within each niche you plan on selling in, look at their engagement, reach out to them, ask if they'd be interested in promoting your products as well as what their rates are. But a lot of people really love that word of mouth marketing and trust these influencers that they follow. So this is a great way to generate sales on your dropshipping stores. And there's a ton of different influencers on different platforms. You guys have TikTok creators, Instagram creators, you guys have bloggers, email marketers, and so on. The next way to start making sales is with email marketing or using an email list to generate sales. This can be your own email list that you build up with customer data throughout the years, or you can simply purchase an email list from somebody else, but you definitely have to be careful with that because there are a lot of scams out there. But essentially, email marketing is the highest ROI or return on investment for any marketing source out there. On average, for every $1 you spend on email marketing, you'll make $40 back. So if you guys already have an email list to market to or are interested in buying one, this is a great source to start generating sales fast. And last but not least, we have blogs and SEO or search engine optimization. This is where you guys are creating and posting content that people are already searching for on search engines like Google. You guys can create blogs within your niche that answer questions, provide value, or anything similar. And you guys can get those to rank on Google, so when people are typing in their questions or searching for certain terms within your niche, they will find your articles, they can read your blog, and then they can purchase your products directly from your website if you guys have it set up right with a call to action. But the main point here is that you are providing value to an audience, and in return, they're gonna purchase your products. This is a little more advanced and takes a little bit more time to do compared to the other sources, but it is definitely a profitable, great long-term strategy. You guys now have 10 different ways to find winning products and 5 unique ways to sell them. If you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. If you're looking for more, I have a free course linked down below. Sign up for that if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.